In this video, I will show you how to log in eFootball. Just follow along and you will be able to access the game in just a few minutes. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, install the eFootball app from the Play Store if you haven't already. Then open the app and wait for it to finish the loading. From here, choose the language you want to use in the game. Once you have selected it, tap the Done button to continue. Now, choose your country or region from the list. Once you have made your selection, tap Next. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Confirm to continue. Here, select your date of birth. Once you have entered the date, tap Next. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Confirm to save your selection. Next, you will be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Just follow the on-screen instructions step by step to complete the setup. If you are unsure, simply do it same as way I am showing in the video, and you will be ready to continue. Here, you will need to create a username for your account. Make sure your username is unique and between 4 to 15 characters long. If the username you want is already taken, simply add few numbers at the end and try again. Once you have chosen an available username, tap Continue. After that, eFootball may ask you to download some additional game data. If it does, just tap Download and wait for the download to finish. Once everything is complete, give the game a few moments to load fully before moving on. At this point, you may be asked to play a short demo match. You can play it or simply skip it if the option is available. Next, the game will suggest a club as your base team. You can choose the suggested team or pick a different one yourself. Once you have selected your team, the game will finish loading and take you to the main screen. And that's it. That's how you can log into eFootball and complete the initial setup. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.